Hello everybody, this is United States of America, and welcome to Country Cooking Food Network. We haven't had a Country Cooking Food Network in a while, but now we are making a comeback. Woohoo! So anyway, today our recipe is chicken noodle soup. So it's gonna taste delicious. So let's start. So I want to turn it upside down. Also, if the countries are too big to fit in the pot, they can either scratch my butt or go down my chicken leg. Sankit and Nevis. Sankit and Nevis, get in the pot. We need some chicken. Cuba, scratch my butt. Time for the soup. Jamaica, you got some more chicken. Get in the pot. Oh, there's more chicken pieces. Get in the pot. Bahamas, you got a million spices. Get in the pot. Nicaragua, we need some vegetables. Get in the pot. Trinidad and Tobago, get in the pot. We need some more vegetables. Guatemala, you gotta stir it up. And you go scratch my butt. Another Cilantro. Cilantro, get in the pot. It can be a bit of celery. Dominica, get in the pot. Sounds like we got more spices. Belize, you got some more chicken pieces. Get in the pot. Canada, please stir it up. Now scratch my butt. Trinidad and Tobago, we need some noodles. Feet, scratch the butt. Panama, we need some more noodles. Get in the pot. Okay, we're gonna turn off the heat. Yum! We got chicken noodle soup now. Do you like chicken noodle soup? Comment below.